everyone, welcome back to day 11 of 21 days English challenge. Wow, we have already completed 10 days together. That means you have taken 10 powerful steps to improve your English. Most of people quit after few days, but you are still here and that shows your dedication. Today's topic is very special. You are going to learn how to talk about your daily life. One thing more, you don't need a perfect environment or expensive coaching to learn English. Your school, your home, your workplace, they are your classroom. When you talk about your day in English, you practice about even realizing it. Imagine this, if you say 10 and 15 sentences about your routine every day, in 21 days you will have spoken hundreds of sentences, and that's how confidence is built. So here are some simple but powerful sentences you can use from morning to night. First one is, in the morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and get ready for school or work. Afternoon I have lunch with my family. I take a short rest. I finish my homework, complete my task. In the evening I go for a walk, play outside. I spend time with my friends. I study English for 20 minutes. In the night, I have dinner with my family. I read a book or watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. So now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in 5-10 sentences in the comment. Speak them aloud 3 times in the front of mirror. Remember, when you talk about your own life in English, you improve faster. This is your homework. So do it, and this is a day 11, means we are halfway through this challenge and you are still going strong. Promise yourself today I will speak at least 5 sentences about my day in English every day. Your small daily practice will turn into a big result. So keep going, keep practicing and keep believing that English is easy. See you tomorrow of day 12. Till then, bye and take care of yourself. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more.